What if I told you that the little egg you crack open every morning could be changing your body in ways you don't even realize? Some of those changes are surprisingly good, and others might be a reason to think twice. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see eggs in a whole new light. Eggs are one of the most popular foods in the world. Some people start every single day with them. Scrambled, fried, boiled, poached, you name it. They're cheap, quick to cook, and super versatile. But here's the big debate. Are eggs really that healthy? Or are they secretly bad for you? For decades, people were told to avoid eggs because of cholesterol. But in recent years, research has flipped that idea on its head. So today, we're breaking it down. What actually happens if you eat eggs every day? We'll look at the benefits, the risks, and the one surprising effect you probably haven't heard before. Point 1. Daily eggs fuel your body with protein. Let's start with the obvious. Eggs are packed with protein. One large egg has about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. That's the kind of protein your body loves. It's easy to absorb, and it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need. If you work out, this matters. Protein helps repair muscle after exercise and keeps your strength up. Fun fact, eggs are often called the perfect protein because scientists actually measure other proteins against them. That's how good they are. Point 2. Eggs are a nutrient gold mine. It's not just protein. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin. They've got vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, zinc, and a big one, choline. Choline is huge for your brain. It helps with memory, learning, and even mood. Most Americans don't get enough of it, but just 2 eggs can cover more than half your daily needs. Think of it this way. Every time you eat eggs, you're not just feeding your muscles. You're fueling your brain, your eyes, and your entire nervous system. Point 3. They keep you full longer. Here's a real-life example. Let's say you grab a donut for breakfast. You'll probably be hungry again in an hour, but if you eat eggs, you'll stay full way longer. That's because eggs are packed with protein and healthy fat. They digest slower, which keeps your blood sugar steady and reduces cravings. Studies have even shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast eat fewer calories throughout the day. So if you're trying to manage your weight, daily eggs could be your secret weapon. Point 4. The cholesterol question. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, cholesterol. For years, eggs were labeled bad because one egg has about 186 milligrams of cholesterol. But here's the truth. For most healthy people, eating eggs does not skyrocket your blood cholesterol. Your liver makes cholesterol already, and when you eat more, your body usually makes less to balance it out. Now, some people, called hyper-responders, do see a bump in cholesterol levels when they eat a lot of eggs. But even then, research shows that eggs raise the good cholesterol, HDL, more than the bad, LDL. So for most people, an egg or 2 a day is perfectly fine. Point 5. Eggs and heart health. So are eggs safe for your heart? The answer isn't black and white. If you're healthy, studies show that moderate egg intake isn't linked to heart disease. In fact, eggs might even improve your cholesterol profile by raising HDL, which helps protect your arteries. But if you already have diabetes or heart disease, eating multiple eggs a day might not be the best choice. The key here is balance. Eggs are healthy, but the bacon, sausage, or butter you pair them with, that's where trouble starts. Point 6. Eye health bonus. Here is something most people don't realize. Eggs are loaded with 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are amazing for your eyes. They protect against macular degeneration and cataracts, which are leading causes of vision loss as you age. So, in a way, eating eggs daily could literally help you see better down the road. Point 7. Weight and energy balance. Back to weight management for a second. Eggs aren't just about staying full. They also give you steady energy. That means fewer crashes, fewer mood swings, and less snacking on junk food. If you're someone who struggles with mid-afternoon fatigue, swapping in eggs for breakfast could be a game changer. Point 8. The downsides of too many eggs. Of course, no food is perfect. Eating too many eggs can have downsides. If you already have high cholesterol, heart disease, or diabetes, you'll want to check with your doctor before making eggs an everyday thing. And if you cook them in tons of butter, oil, or cheese, you're piling on extra fat and calories. Another thing, variety matters. Eggs are great, but your body needs a wide range of nutrients. Don't skip out on fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. Here's the most surprising benefit. Eggs may actually protect your brain long term. That choline we talked about? It's used to make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's key for memory and learning. Some studies suggest that people who get enough choline may have a lower risk of Alzheimer's and age-related memory loss. So when you're eating eggs every day, you're not just fueling your body. You might be protecting your future self. That's powerful. So, what really happens when you eat eggs every day? You get top-notch protein. You fuel your brain and eyes with nutrients. You stay full longer and keep cravings in check. You might even lower your risk of vision problems and memory loss. And yes, cholesterol is worth keeping an eye on. But for most people, eggs are not the enemy. The bottom line, eggs can absolutely be part of a healthy daily diet, as long as you balance them with other good foods. Now I want to hear from you. Do you eat eggs every day? And if so, what's your favorite way to have them? Scrambled, boiled, poached, or maybe even an omelet loaded with veggies? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more simple science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest foods, like an egg, can have the biggest impact on your health. See you next time.